Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean with me and I will be tackling this mess. So this is my dining room slash kitchen. As you can see, the table is nasty from my grandbaby. This is some stuff that needs to be done. I need to wash dishes, empty the trash. I need to clean off the counters, put up dishes, all of that good stuff. See little stains here and little dishes and stuff like that needs to be put up. I'm a little bit under the weather. My allergy or sinus is bothering me. But anywho, we're going to jump right into this video and we're going to get started. And we're going to get these dishes clean. I would like to thank all of my returning subscribers. Thank you for the love and the support. And also, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell so you'll be notified of any new videos that I post. Y'all excuse my back pocket. I did have my grandson in some of the clips, but since this new thing going on with YouTube, I had to go back and just delete him out of it because I'm hearing different stories about it and I'm not sure what is what. So to be on the safe side, I just went on ahead and deleted him. So now I'm just removing the clean dishes from the dishwasher, getting ready to put the ones in that I am washing now. Yeah, I have all these little small containers because I am meal prepping. So those little small white ones and the clear ones with the red top, they all came from the Dollar Tree. My dishwasher doesn't dry as well, so I have to take the dishes out. If I don't leave the door crack on my dishwasher for them to air dry that way, I just take them out the dishwasher and put them on a drying mat, and so they can go ahead and finish drying. Yes, I can use a dish towel to finish drying, but to me it doesn't dry as well still. So I don't like putting wet dishes in my cabinets because it makes them smell, or you can get mold, mildew, or either. Okay, you guys, I am about to tackle this nasty kitchen table that was destroyed by my grandson. I had smeared food and hand prints everywhere. So I'm just washing down everything real good. Y'all, these are the best pans to cook with. Okay, you guys, this is it. This is the finished product, of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.